The journey of Alpine Public School started in 1995. It was started by Mrs. Rumi Joshi and Mr. Vijay Joshi. We started with 3 students and now our school strength is 2200. As our student strength has increased, we have strengthened our transport system also in a very structured manner, and from the beginning only we have only trusted Tata Motors for our transport. Today we have a fleet of 25 buses and all of them are from Tata Motors. We have 35 seaters, 30 seaters and 42 seaters buses. Comfort and safety of our kids is a primary focus. From the safety point of view, the buses are very well integrated with the GPS trackers, fuel monitoring system and CCTV cameras. Tata Motors offers strong safety standard and durable build quality. The buses have always given us consistent mileage, efficient engines and smooth day-to-day running, which is very crucial for the school. We have also opted for the AMC of our buses. It covers preventive maintenance, repair and periodic inspections. It has reduced downtime and hassle-free maintenance, which is very essential for our day-to-day working.
अल्पाइन पब्लिक स्कूल नालागढ़, मैं दिलेर सिंह इस स्कूल के अंदर ट्रांसपोर्ट इंचार्ज हूँ और मेरे पास 25 बसें हैं जो टाटा की है सारी, और टाटा मोटर की तरफ से हमारे स्कूल में कैंप भी लगाया जाता है जिसमें ड्राइवरों को सही तरीके से सुझाव दिए जाते हैं कि बसों को कैसे चलाना है, कैसे बसों को स्टैंड करना है, और जो टाटा का स्टाफ है वो हमारे साथ फुल सहयोग देता है।
We continue to grow along with Tata Motors. As our strength will increase, we will definitely opt and continue with Tata only because of low maintenance, high reliability and very safe and reliable transport system. Thank you.